All right. Let's say you have a port that you are having some issues with and you can't actually physically go to the location, but you want to check if the line is okay. On the Aruba switches, you can run a cable diagnostics on the port to see if the pins on the far side are actually reachable, and if all the pins are actually pinned out. To be able to run this command, you have to get into diagnostics mode. So we are in a switch right now. We're going to use these first couple ports here to just kind of test with, see what we have. So the first command you need to do is diagnostic, and then hit enter. It'll get you into diagnostics mode, and then just hit diag, and then cable diagnostics, and then the port that you want to run this on. Now, when you hit this, it's going to say it's going to take a little bit. The link actually will go down, so it's usually a good idea to inform whoever you are working with that their port might go down. Just hit yes, and it'll take a little bit, and then you'll get some results back. Here we can see all of these pins are good. You can see the status says they're good. Here's the ohms. This is the ohms. If it's in between 85 and 115, usually that's a good indicator that the port is good or the line is actually good. If you want to see what one looks like that is currently down, we'll run that, and then you can see it's all open. So if its cable status is good, that means all the pins, or the pins are on that line. So in this case, 1 and 2 are good. If it says the cable status is open, that means that there's not a connection on the other end of it, where the computer, AP, phone, whatever it would be, where that would be at, it's open. And then you'll get this indicator here. You can read about it here. It says hi imp, or it's open. Could be a bad pin. It could just be the pin's not punched down correctly, something like that. Let's see if we can find one. Here's one that's sitting at 100. Maybe this one is got a bad pin that we can check out. Yeah, so there we go. So here's an idea that one that might be down. This also could be that the computer on the other side has a connection, but the interface is just down. But here, since we have a short and an open, I'm guessing that something with this port is definitely messed up. So this would be one we have to go take a look at and make sure that all the pins are good for this port. Hopefully that helped you out. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a subscribe to the channel. We'll be back for more tips. Thanks.